Coyote Outdoor Living continues to be an industry leader, and this next generation of premium pellet grill will set a new standard in this category. The pellet grill is the fastest growing sector in the outdoors industry and will outpace natural gas, propane, and charcoal in the next 5 years. It does this because the fuel is portable. That portable fuel is green, and the efficiency of the Smart Drop system makes it superior. Pellet grills are safer and cleaner to use than when burning fossil fuels like propane, natural gas, and charcoal. And Coyote's state-of-the-art digital screen gives you the control that you need to be able to utilize them. The innovation of the easy-to-load pellet hopper makes it so accessible, and you can put whatever flavor you want in there. You can get a competition blend, apple wood, hickory wood, whatever you can find. You can take your favorite recipes and add smoke to them. This award-winning design works just like the oven in your home, with a great range of temperature controls and probe thermometers. This combines your grill, your smoker, and a fiery hot pizza oven. It has such a range that you can take it from 175 degrees all the way up to 700 degrees in the 36-inch model. One of my favorite new inventions is the VersaRack. Now, the VersaRack has taken all of the space inside the pellet grill and maximized it. You'll see that 304 stainless steel that Coyote is known for, and you can arrange it in a wide variety of ways. You can have no racks for bigger cuts like turkey or a large pork butt, a single rack to use for a warming rack, or you can put 2 racks in, 3 racks in. If you want to put 10, 12 racks of pork in there, you can really load it up. With Coyote, they have taken advantage of every square inch of space inside this beautiful new grill. Whenever I'm cooking outdoors, I want 2 things in particular. I want temperature control and I want power. The new pellet grill, it has both. And it's easy to access the fuel when you just pull open that hopper drawer, exposing 2 cast augers. Below the augers and in position to blow back that heat are 2 fans. They work together to make sure that burner pot always has enough fuel to keep the temperature right. When it comes to style and design, nobody does a hood like Coyote. That beautiful 304 brushed stainless looks incredible. But there's more than just beauty. There's form and there's function. You'll notice at the first time that you touch it, you'll see how easily it opens with the assist of 2 heavy-duty stainless steel springs, one on either side. The double-walled hood will also give you great heat retention, making the pellet grill extremely efficient. The other thing that they've done is they have put a seal around the entire lip that comes into contact with the front. What that does is that will keep smoke and heat inside the hood, but the other thing it does is it keeps the water out. The last thing that we battle when we're cooking outdoors is wind, and they've got a wind guard that runs right along the back to protect it from that wind. Day or night, your pellet grill will be well lit. Inside there is easy to use halogen lights, which are heat safe, and they'll help if you need to check on that brisket late at night. Now, in front of the probe thermometers, we have an LED, which will highlight that and make it easy to use. And then at nighttime, the digital screen will obviously light up. But on a sunny day, the 900 nits of power will make sure that you can view it whenever you need. The potential of great recipes and the best ingredients can't be fully realized without the engineering of premium products from Coyote.